Welcome back, students. So, today we will continue this lesson 5, but before that, let us recapitulate. So, we have seen that the field was feeling hot during the daytime, so he decided to grow a hill. After that, there were trees which protected the field from the harmful rays of the sun, and now it was cooler and happier. And now we will be reading the next para. So, children, take out page number 55. But as soon as the trees came upon the hill, a little lane appeared nearby. The lake cried, "River," and ran towards the lane and kept on running all the way to the sea. Very quickly, little fish swam up the river to live with the ducks and the geese. So, children, we see here after trees came up on the hill and then little lane appeared. Little lane here means narrow way. And then lake cried. He said river, and then very quickly, what happened? The narrow way got converted into a beautiful river. And that beautiful river kept on running all the way to the sea. After that, what happened is little fish, it also joined the river, and now there were fish, geese, and ducks. When it rained, the sun painted rainbows in the sky. The field loved those rainbows. After a while, he decided that he wanted his own rainbows. So the field squeezed the grass. He squeezed until flowers came out of the grass in the colors of the rainbow. The flowers brought pretty little butterflies. How delighted the field was! Here, what happened is that after rain appeared a rainbow. Actually, it was painted by the sun. And children, I hope you know what is a rainbow. If you don't know, then let me tell you that it is a bow shaped 7 color which mostly appears after the rain. You can see in the picture. So it appeared and it was loved by the field. But children, the field wanted his own rainbow. So what did he decide? Yes, he decided to grow beautiful flowers. So he squeezed the grass. Here squeeze means to press something hard for a particular purpose. So after squeezing the field, there appeared beautiful flowers which attracted beautiful little butterflies, and this made the field delighted. Now let's see some difficult words. First one is lane. It means a narrow way. Second one is shady. It means keeps you away from the direct sunlight. Third is the field's hilly head. Here the hill looks like the round head of the field. So children, this was the end of the chapter. I hope that you have understood this chapter. Please go through the chapter once again and try to learn question answers and difficult words. Thank you.